Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you want to see how I achieve this curly haired look that is super easy, super cute, then just keep watching. Let's go. I'm back. Okay, to begin we need our wig cap, our brush, our comb and an edge brush, rubber bands and bobby pins, and your gel of choice. I'm using the Eco Style olive oil and black castor oil gel. And you're ready to go. Okay, so since we've been inside due to quarantine, my hair has been in these 4 braids for most of the time. I am actually currently on a journey for waist length hair, and so I've been doing a whole lot of moisturizing and treatments and protective styling, and just taking the opportunity to do that since I'm not going nowhere. But yes, so I'm gonna unbraid these braids and then I will get into it. Okay, so the goal here is to part your hair from ear to ear. I kind of struggle with doing straight parts. You're gonna see me struggle for a minute here. Let me know if you also struggle with doing straight parts. So now that I have my part, I pin the rest of the hair back with a bobby pin and then apply my wig cap over it. And now I'm going to put away the section of the hair that I don't need and begin on the other side of my head. So as you can see, I'm parting my hair at an angle. So it's not straight across, it's at an angle, starting from the top, almost the top of my brow, the arch of my brow, and then just going in from there in a downward position. Now I'm just gonna straighten out my part, because like I said, girl, I struggle with them straight parts, but try your best to make the front half of your hair as straight and neat as possible, since that is what's gonna be seen. Let me know if you have any techniques to make your parts straight and crisp, because I really don't know how people do it. Once I've gotten my part as straight as I can get it, I apply my gel. I'm applying it in that front area of my hair, around the perimeter of my part, and then the inside portion. And then I'm going to go in with my bigger brush and smooth that out. And then go in with my edge control brush and make it even smoother. Quick disclaimer, don't mind my edges because I'm currently stretching my relaxer, so the root of my hair is extremely coarse and it's back to 4C hair, whereas my ends are still relaxed. So now I grabbed my rubber bands and I'm just gonna make a ponytail with the elastics. And then I just tighten it and then twist it all the way down. Now I'm going to put it away so it's not in my way. Move on to the next piece. Okay, so again, this is geometry, guys, so you have to part it at an angle. This time it's going to be the opposite direction you just parted your first one. once again, that part ain't straight, girl. So I'm gonna straighten that out and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm applying my gel. In the same way I just applied it for that first one, I'm going to do it around the perimeter of my hair and smooth it out with my big bristle brush. And then I'm going to go in with my edge control brush. And then of course I had to mess up the perfectly straight part that I just did. But it's okay, it still comes out nice. And now I'm applying my rubber band to secure that portion or that piece of hair. And then twisting it down. And once I've tucked that away, I'm going to move on to the next piece. I am going to skip the middle piece and move on to the other side. So once again, it's going to be at an angle, and to get the sides matching as closely as possible, I kind of trace the end of my comb across my forehead from like one side of my part to the other side to see if I can match it up that way. And then I'm going to apply my gel and follow through with my boar bristle brush. I think y'all got the pattern now, so I'll see you when there's a new change. Okay, so now that I've reached the top of my head, as you can see, this one is not a triangle. triangle. It is more like a trapezoid. Look at me remembering my shapes. Yeah, so same routine, gonna apply the gel and slick that bad boy down. Okay, perfect. So you should have 5 parts if you're doing this exact style. And now I'm going to bantu knot the ends of my hair. Alright, now the hard part's over. Let's slick them edges. So like I said, I am mostly natural at the roots of my hair, so slicking down my edges is not the easiest at the moment. Let me know if you guys have a good edge control for 4C hair, because let me tell you, once I laid these edges down and wrapped it up, they curled right up. I hate when that happens. I'm going to tie them down, not that it matters, just kidding. I'm going to tie them down for as long as I can and apply the wig after. Here's the beauty. Ooh, I love this wig. Okay, so like I said, I have combs. If you watched my last video, then you know that I have combs on the inside of this wig. And so I apply the one on top first, and then the bottom, and then the 2 side pieces. I have 4 combs in total in this wig. Once I do that, it is nice and secure. Trust me, that ain't going nowhere. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. Guys, I've had this hair for a year and it still looks gorgeous. I look like a whole new person. Okay, so now I'm taking the outermost piece of my wig and wrapping it around that top bantu knot just to kind of blend the top of the wig with my bantu knot. And then I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to fluff it up some and then remove that head wrap and you are ready to go. Look at this hair. I love it. I really look like a whole new person. It looks like I put mad work in to do this hairstyle, but you've seen it. You've seen it with your own eyes. I did not do that much. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you attempted to do this hair down in the comments, or tag me in your pictures if you're taking any, which you would be. As you can see, it's super easy to do, quick, and it's easy to install. So I hope you guys try it yourself and that you come back here to find more things that you can do that I'm here to teach you. Comment down below if you think this hairstyle is as easy as I say it is. I think it is. Clearly. But see you guys again in my next video, because I'll be back. Bye. That's a good. Yeah.